What I like about this question is that it hits on something that I tell my students a lot, which is use your confusion to your advantage. Or another way to put it is when you read a question and you sense trouble, trust yourself, trust your instincts, and know that there's a place that you might fall for a trap and adjust for it, right? So here's a case where as I'm reading this question, I sense trouble right in the middle. Let me show you where it is. Plant A is currently 20 centimeters tall, and plant B is currently 12 centimeters tall. The ratio of the heights of plant A to plant B is equal to the ratio of the heights of plant C to plant D. Ugh, 4 letters, 4 things all at once, that seems like a lot. And so it feels dangerous, where if I mess up those letters slightly, I'll probably get the wrong answer, and it'll be one of the wrong answers, because I know the SAT. They know the mistakes that I'm likely to make, and so they put those wrong answers there for me. So I'm sensing trouble with that sentence, so I would pause and I would try to write that sentence out without the numbers. We'll worry about the numbers later. But let's see what it says. The ratio of the heights of plants A to B is equal to the ratio of the heights of plants C to D, right? So there we go, we've got it. We've got the ratio down. Now we can start putting in the numbers and make sure that they're in the right place. If I try to do it all at once, maybe I get it right. But the SAT knows that maybe I get it wrong. And they've got that answer waiting for me. So use your kind of confusion, those places where things feel a little sneaky, use that to your advantage. So now let's put the numbers in. Plant A is 20, right? So 20 over. B is 12, 20 over 12. And if we read the last sentence here, if plant C is 54, so that's here, what is the height of plant D, right? So I left it as D, I didn't put it as X because who cares? I want to keep track of it as D. I want to make sure I don't accidentally solve for the wrong thing, and there we go, now it's in there. And when we do this, remember, for ratios, when we have 2 fractions set equal to each other, we're going to cross multiply, right? So diagonally. So D times 20 is 20D. 54 times 12, it's the calculator section. No reason to do that. 648. And then I divide by 20 to get D by itself. And I get 32.4, which is choice A, which is the answer. So I would classify what we did at the start as a show your work situation. And I showed my work because I sensed trouble at that particular point. And to prevent myself from making a careless mistake, I just took a second, wrote it down, didn't get fancy, didn't get ahead of myself. And yeah, now I'm confident in my answer because I'm confident in my work.